The following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
Let's get this baby juiced up. Not the color you guys are used to seeing, but as you can see, I'm on an S1K. What is going on, guys? Let me show you what I'm riding today. Man, you guys just been seeing me hop on bikes lately, which is crazy. But we're out here with Infamous Culture gang again. We got the boy Alex from Infamous Culture, Infamous Alex, riding a beautiful ZX-10R. We got Domino with his beautiful murder Jixer that he's working on. He's been having it for a minute now. He's done a great job on that bike. And obviously we got Will, the famous Will Kid Hill. And then we got Memo. This is the first time I ride with Memo. And he also has a triple R. So a triple on triple. But his is an auto gray with the white wheels. And then we got the beautiful ZX6R. That's the giveaway bike. You guys can win that bike if y'all check out Infamous Culture. Cop something on the section that says learn more. You can put in S1K Rafa as a discount code. And get yourself some goodies. And every time you buy something, you get an entry. But we're about to ride up to Bikes and Coffee here. I'm in a beautiful 2023, 24, I believe. BMW S1000 RR, fully spec'd out. Damn! We're back out here on Houston, Texas, guys, and it's beautiful. Cloudy weather, but it's kind of hot actually. I'm out here skiing again. Don't do it at home. I always recommend you guys wear gear. What the hell's going on? What is going on, guys? I know you guys are probably wondering with the AM, what's going on with the AM, but I mean, by the time the video goes up, it's still very hard to tell, so I'll just say a couple things here. But obviously we are going with the full engine swap on the M1000. Unfortunately, things happened to the engine as you guys saw in the previous video, but I'm thankful that BMW is making things right for me. I really do want to give a shout out to Cycle Center in Denton. The boys out there, man, they're just doing a fabulous job attending me the correct way. With that being said, for now, you know, you have great friends that just kind of trust you with amazing bikes like these. You get to experience this kind of stuff, you know, brother. Oh man, this is nice. Honestly, I don't even know how many bikes to expect. We have at least a good 25 bikes out here. I can't wait to get on this little ride out here. You know what I'm saying? I definitely need a drink. It's hot. 90, maybe 92. I don't know. It feels like 100 though. But this is the beautiful S1000 RR that I'm riding out today, guys.
Look at your son. Look at your son where he's going.
Bro, what?
And a speed demons.
What's going on? Good to see you, brother.
I did not think you were coming.
You owe me lunch.
Jessica kept sending me video after video.
You owe me lunch, bro. He's like, I'm like, what happens if I do come out there? He's like, I'll buy you food. I'm like, say less, bro.
Drinking heavy last night.
He thinks I was drinking.
You were.
I wasn't.
Send me the video.
I wasn't.
You were.
I wasn't drinking.
Okay, babe.
What? Y'all are insane, brother.
You weren't drinking.
Who's that?
You weren't.
Oh man, bro, for real, man. Why did we park over here? Let me see if this thing's turned off. It's not. I always have that bad habit. But let's go say what's up to these guys out here. What up, gentlemen? What up? What up? What's up, bro? Rafa, bro. What's up, man? What's up, brother? How are you, man?
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you, bro. What's your name?
Luis.
Luis. Nice to meet you, bro. You been out here for a minute or what?
Not too long.
Bro, I'm hot as shit. I'm freaking hot, man. It is hot. What's up, brother? What's up, man? Hey, nice to meet you, brother. Hey, good to meet you. What's up, brother? Well, yes, sir. How are you, man? Nice to meet you guys. Man, trying to enjoy this Houston heat, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna get way hot.
Bro, it is hot out here, man. It's humid, bro. It takes some time getting used to this for sure. Good little turnout out here. We got all these bikes from all these Houston locals out here, man. Obviously, you can't go wrong with the S1K. And then that bike just looks like Matt's, to be honest, man. And then I guess we got T-Vic out here. That's not T-Vic though, but it's exactly like his bike. Look it. He tucked the bike down. We're gonna be following Alex, you know, on the ZX10. I'm gapping the out of this bike. That's a fact, man. I am Milio out here. Oh, I guess are we doing like a standing thing? Are we doing like a standing thing now? We got Alex and the homie out here standing, just showing y'all the bikes. But you know, this is gonna be today's ride. We had JD up in the back. So man, I feel the love out here in Houston. You know, appreciate you guys for all the little love out here. Look at Memo with his triple, brother. Damn it, Dylan. Oh, big ballin' over here. Damn, chill, Rafa, with the lowered cut truck and the trailer. I didn't even see the cop. Oh no. What are we doing? Like some twisties or what? Or? What a f***ing dog, bro. Domino. Best out of 3, let's do it. Oh man, I'm tired. Tired, Papa. Man, I miss Mass. Everybody's been asking me about Mass. And probably by the time you guys watch this video, he might be back, but there's nothing wrong with Mass. Mass is completely fine. He's just taking a break from social media, bro. Yeah, he's just taking a break. We could chill out here for a minute, but It's honestly starting to get too hot. It's about noon almost, and the heat is just getting crazy, man. So we're gonna head out and go get some food. Probably after that, I'll probably start heading back to Dallas, because that's a long drive back. Well, not really. It's just like 4 hours, 3.5, 4 hours. But my visor's full of bugs. I'm about to get diamond on again. You're going down again, brother. Reckless is moving to Dallas today. I'm taking his bike in my truck. The love for letting me ride this bike from Infamous. I just really got to shout them out. They're not telling me to, but I'm just doing it out of love, just because these guys took time out of their days to come out here, give me a good time. But I enjoyed riding this S1K. Hopefully you guys see some content with my S1K here coming up. It took way too long to find the issue on that bike, and too much money. You gonna try to pull him over? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Bro, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Bro, ain't no way, bro. Bro, ain't no way. Oh my God. Take off, Playboy! Take off, Playboy! Alright. Finally made it, man. With this damn heat. Oh, that looks good. That looks good! Damn! It's a good day. It's a good day. Can't wait for you to have you in Dallas, brother. Can't wait for that. But this is all the people that rode out here in Houston today. It was a great time out here. Hopefully you liked this video. This one was a little bit more. It was a pleasure being out here in Houston, y'all.